Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to share a Google Ads case study for a client in the yacht rental business. A client offering luxurious and unforgettable yacht rental experience in Puerto Rico and wanted to expand services via Google Ads. However, our client was unhappy with the results from their previous agency. The results were very poor. They generated only 19 leads at a CPA of $160. So the client reached us while watching one of our case study on YouTube and started working with us. We conducted a thorough audit of the account and uncovered several challenges via the previous agency. So firstly, broad match keywords. The previous agency used broad match keywords which cast a wide net, capturing irrelevant traffic and wasting the budget. Secondly, poor ad copies. The ad copy was not enticing enough to attract potential customers. It lacked creativity and compelling language, failing to effectively communicate the value of the client's yacht rental services. Missing assets. The ad extensions such as site link, callouts were not fully optimized. These extensions provide additional information and direct links to the specific pages on the client's website, enhancing the ad's relevance and user experience. And then conversion tracking. The conversion tracking was faulty, leading to inaccurate performance measurement and restricting the true impact of the advertising efforts. No campaign testing. The existing campaign was not fully optimized and there was no testing of different campaign elements such as ad copy, keywords and targeting to identify the most effective strategies. So what we did, keyword search and optimization. We conducted comprehensive keyword search to identify the most relevant and high performing keywords for the yacht rental business. By optimizing the use of keywords in the ad tags, we aim to improve ad relevance and attract qualified leads. Ad copy enhancement. We revamped the ad copy by highlighting the unique aspects of the client's yacht rental services. This involved creating compelling and engaging ad copies that effectively communicated the luxury and adventure offered by the client's business. We also ensured the use of the variety of ad extensions such as site links and call extensions to provide additional information and improve the overall ad experience. Then conversion tracking implementation. We set up accurate conversion tracking to measure the campaign's performance effectively. This involved tracking the right matrices and attributing conversion to the correct sources, enabling us to make data-driven decisions and optimize the campaign for better results. Campaign structure and setting optimization. We restructured the campaign to ensure a more organized and targeted approach. This included adjusting campaign setting to align with the client's specific goals and marketing objectives. By using the right settings, we aim to improve the overall performance and efficiency of the Google Ads campaign. New call-only campaign setup. We implemented a new call-only campaign to allow potential customers to inquire directly with the single click. This approach aimed to simplify the booking process and improve the overall user experience, leading to high conversion rates. By implementing these steps, we were able to significantly improve the performance of the Google Ads campaign for the yacht rental business, generating over 180 plus conversions with a CPA of only $2. So we helped our client transform their online presence, attract their local ideal audience and chart a course for exclusive growth. Thanks for watching it. If you have any question, you can leave the comment below or you can reach out to us through the contact information flashing on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring case studies and marketing insight.